parts, that is addition and subtraction. So page number 53 was on addition and this page is on subtraction. Open up to your page number 55. I've written here activity book page number 55. Similarly, you have to strike the word name, write Thursday, strike the word class, write on CW because you are going to do it in now, and then write on today's date, that is 10th of December 2020. Okay, so this subtraction will be on borrowing because the number which is on top on the right hand side is smaller compared to the second number. Alright, let's look here. We do mental maths first and then we do the table. 31 minus 5. Subtraction is all about backward counting. 35 in your brain, 5 on your fingers. 35 you have to now backward count, 31 you have to backward count, 31 in your brain, 5 on your fingers. Backward count from 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26. Okay, we write here 26. Let's find out in tens and ones table. Draw an arrow. Now, 3 tens and 1 ones minus 5 ones. If you look in ones place, in subtraction, you should always have a bigger number on top. Then only you can subtract, then only you can take away a smaller number. But in this case, in ones place, you have a smaller number on top. So what you have to do? You have to borrow. Why am I knocking? Because you're going to borrow. So from whom you're going to borrow? You're going to borrow from number 3, which is in tens place. So 3 tens means there are 3 tens. Okay. So now you are going to take 1 10. You're going to borrow this 10 and keep here. So this 10 plus this 1 will become 11. And here in tens place, you are left with only 2 tens. So now this equation we are going to do 11 in your brain, 5 on your fingers, backward count, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So 6 is here and 2 minus nothing is 2. So your answer is 26. Just now we did mental maths. We got the answer 26. So when you are doing this subtraction, I want to see this, the arrows, this arrow. I want to see all the working done. Okay, do not submit incomplete work. Do not just write the answers and submit. No, I want all the working done neatly. Okay, so that I understand that you have followed what I have taught you. So while you are doing this work into your exercise book, I would want you to wear your headphones and do follow the steps. Okay. Now, second sum is 22 minus 8. 22 in your brain, 8 on your fingers. Open up. Okay, backward count from 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. So I'm going to write here 14. Now I'm going to double check it on the tens and ones table. Arrow. Now what did I see? I saw that the top number is smaller than the bottom number. So I cannot take away, I cannot subtract, I cannot take away 8 out of 2. So I need to make this 2 into a bigger number. How will I do? I will borrow. I will borrow from tens place. In tens place, how many tens are there? 2 tens. So right here, 2 tens. Okay. Now you send this 10 over to ones place. So this 10 plus this 2 will become 12. And now ones place, you are left with only 110. Okay, now 12 in your brain and 8 on your fingers. Backward count 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So I'm going to write here 4. 1 minus nothing is 1. So here I got 14 and here I got 14. Okay, next sum. 33 minus 6. 33 in your brain, 6 on your fingers, backward count. 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27. Now I'm going to do in tens and ones table. 3 is smaller than 6. So I cannot take away 6 from 3. So I need to make number 3 into a bigger number. How will I do? I will borrow from whom? From tens place. There are how many tens? Correct. There are 3 tens. So write 3 tens here. Then you strike 1 10 and send it to ones place. Now 10 plus 3 makes 13. This is the new number. And here in tens place, earlier there were 3 tens. 1 10 is being gone to ones place. So you are left with only 2 tens. Now 13 in your brain, 6 on your fingers, backward count. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 2 minus nothing is 2. Okay, so we got the same answer. Good, fantastic. Now here we have 74 minus 9. 74 in your brain, 9 onto your fingers. Backward count 73, 72, 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65. So the answer is 65, but I'm going to do it in the tens and ones table. So 9 cannot be minus out of 4 because 9 is the bigger number, 4 is a smaller number. So to make the bigger number 4, I need to borrow from number 7. 7 is in tens place, so that means there are 7 tens. So you will have to write 10 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'm going to strike this 10 and I'm going to send it over here. Now this 10 and this 4, it makes 14, a new number, bigger number, 14. So there were 7 tens. So 1 10 has left. 1 10, there were 7 tens. So 1 10 has left to one's place. Now you have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have to write here 6. So 14 in your brain, 9 on your fingers, backward count 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So 5 here and 6 minus nothing is 6. Okay? Now let's move on to letter E, fifth sum. 84 minus 7. 84 in your brain, 7 on your fingers, backward count. 83, 82, 81, 80, 79, 78, 77. Okay, mental maths, let's do here. As you can see, 4 is on top, which is smaller than 7. So what you're going to do, you're going to borrow. Borrow from whom? From 8 tens. So right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens are here. So you're going to take 1 10 and send it to ones. So this 10 and this 4 together, 10 plus 4 will make 14. Now here, how many 7s are left? How many 10s are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 tens left. Now 14 in your brain. Let's solve the equation. 14 in your brain, 7 on your fingers, backward count. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. And here 7 minus nothing is 7. So 77 and 77. Yeah? Okay, let's come to the last sum, that is letter F, which is 90 minus 4. 90 in your brain, 4 on your fingers, backward count. 89, 88, 87, 86. So answer here is 86. Let's double check on tens and ones table. Alright, here you will see something new. There is nothing, there is 0 on top. So what you're going to do, you're going to borrow. You're going to borrow from whom? From tens place. How many tens are there? 9 tens. So write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have to take away 1 10 and send it in one's place. So this 10 plus nothing makes 10. And now, earlier there were 9. So 1 went over there. So you're left with only 8. So 10 in your brain, 4 on your fingers, backward count. 9, 8, 7, 6. So 8 minus nothing is 8. So you have got the answer here, 86. Correct. So this is how you will be doing the subtraction. Okay. Now I want you to open up to your page number 59. So your homework will be 54 because 53 we did just now. So 54 is for homework, 55 is classwork you have to do. Similarly, you have to do 56 as homework. Then you have 57, 58 also for homework. Okay, so this is for your weekend, for long weekend, because you have 3 days holidays, that is Saturday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you have 3 days off. So I'm giving you homework for page number 54, 56, 57, 58. Right? So finish your work neatly. Make sure you have done both the boards, you have done the addition and subtraction with your working, and submit for marking. Bye for now.